40 seconds looking at a rooftop garden was enough to cut people's attention lapses in half. In 2015, psychologist Kate Lee at the University of Melbourne pulled 150 students through a brutal, boring, error-prone focus test, then interrupted them with a single 40-second break. Half the group looked at a flowering green roof. The other half stared at a bare concrete one. The task itself was designed to wreck concentration. It's called the SART, the Sustained Attention to Response Task, and it forces you to hit a key for every number except one over and over until your brain goes numb and starts missing the exception. Researchers use it because it exposes exactly when attention breaks down, keystroke by keystroke. After the break, the concrete roof group got worse. Slower reactions, more missed targets, classic mental fatigue. The green roof group didn't. 40 seconds of looking at plants was enough to measurably restore their sustained attention, and the effect showed up immediately in the very next round of the test. That's the theory behind attention restoration, first proposed by psychologists Rachel and Stephen Kaplan. Your directed attention, the kind you burn scrolling emails or grinding through a deadline, works like a muscle, and it fatigues fast. Nature scenes don't ask anything of that muscle, so it gets a break even while your eyes stay open and your task stays half-finished. We post one of these every single day, so subscribe now, because tomorrow's dive into the brain is even more surprising than this one. Here's the twist. It didn't have to be a real rooftop. Lee's team used a video, 40 seconds long, looped on a screen in a windowless lab, and it still worked. Later replications found even a still photo of greenery produces a smaller but real version of the same effect, which means your brain doesn't need an actual forest. It just needs a plausible signal that says nothing dangerous is here. Hit the bell on this channel so tomorrow's brain trick lands in your feed the second it's live. So the next time you're 40 minutes into a task and your focus is falling apart, you don't need a nap or a walk around the block. 40 seconds looking at a plant, a park view, even a photo on your phone can measurably reset the same attention system that just spent an hour failing you. Comment below and tell us if you tried it.